See our yoga teacher. He teach yoga to every faculty members.
International Yoga Day.
Yes.
Everybody do yoga, be fit.
Yes. I will show the power of yoga, by Ritik. He is going to teach every HOD and every faculty members yoga right now. He is a teacher here and they are the student. Okay, how you are feeling right now?
Very honorable for me. They give me an opportunity to do. Very honorable.
And as a cameraman and Swastik, both will capture you and everyone. हमारे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं, वो लोग यहाँ पे जितने सब कोऑर्डिनेटर्स और फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं, और ये लोग अभी रेडी हो रहे हैं योगा के लिए. और हमारा जो ऋत्विक है क्लासमेट है, ये सबको अभी ट्रेनिंग देने वाला है योगा का. So sir, today why you guys are here? What is the purpose for that, sir?
Now today we are celebrating the yoga day.
Okay.
It is on June 21st, but we are celebrating from 20th. It's a 1 week event.
Okay.
So we're conducting yoga saptaha. It is for 7 days. 7 days different events and talk will be there, and it is coordinated by many departments.
So you guys are here to do the yoga right now.
To initiate and to motivate others.
To motivate others to do the yoga, because you guys are doing yoga still in this age, so that to motivate everyone to do the yoga.
Yes.
So basically, here all the faculty members are there. Yeah, everyone can come and do the yoga.
It's free only, but many students are having the exam. Because of that purpose, we are falling short of participants.
So guys, basically, for the International Yoga Day, our department faculty members are arrived here to do the yoga to motivate everyone, right?
Yes.
Sir, we are going to capture you all while you will do the yoga.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
This event has been planned with a vision to infuse wellness, mindfulness, and holistic health in our academic environment. A special mention to our dedicated coordinators, Professor Sushma TM, Professor Pushpalata KS, Professor Ranjita HM, and Professor Vinuta Raghu from the Department of Information Science and Engineering.
Sit in Vajrasana if you can, or else Sukhasana you can. Start with Omkara. You know how to do Omkara, no? I would say that Omkara is not so efficient. I would say do Amkara. That is, it's more vibrant than Omkara. We will do, once I will demonstrate. Like this.
It's a butterfly,
It's easy, ma'am, right?
Every day, if we do it, is easy.
Yes, ma'am.
It's difficult.
Our faculty members are doing. Pushpalata ma'am is, I think, feeling difficulty to do this. See our Yogesh sir. He is having difficulty to do these things.
Don't make all these videos. It's easy.
For Ranjita ma'am, it's easy. You can see. But for Pushpalata ma'am, it's quite difficult to do.
Trying by level is don't comment, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, try it, ma'am. It will happen. It's not happening from Jalalakshmi, ma'am. Sir is teaching. क्या स्वस्तिक? टीचर्स को प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है योगा करने में?
मेरे को भी हो
एक वर्ड हो जाने के बाद
कर नहीं रहे तो
गाइस हम लोग कैमरामैन है ना, दैट्स व्हाई हम लोग को रिलैक्सेशन है, वरना भी अगर बैठना पड़ जाए तो फिर हम लोग को ही पता चलेगा. feeling.
Easy for me.
ಕಾಲು ಅಗಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
Ma'am, you are the super
ಈ
fit
ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
faculty of our IT department. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's also facing difficulty for you, na? See, Vinuta ma'am is doing it easy, but it's quite difficult for Supriya ma'am to do this thing. And ma'am, see our Sushma ma'am, it's also facing difficult for you to do. But guys, ma'am is trying her best to do these things. You can see. These things our Yogesh sir is doing pretty good. This is the easiest pose which everyone. This asana is very much comfortable for everyone. Yeah. This is going to be the favorite for everyone. Yeah, our the yoga teacher.
Okay, relax.
Relax.
Makarasana. Hands on the head. Again, lift. Lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax.
Brother, how your students are doing the asanas?
Yeah, they are trying to do very flexible.
Very flexible.
Everyone is
But who among those students, who is your favorite one? Ranjita ma'am is doing well. See guys, Ranjita ma'am is doing properly. So she is the super fit faculty of our department. See how strictly our the yoga teacher is monitoring everyone.
Thank you for being an integral part of this journey towards balance, inner peace, and conscious living.
Thank you for giving this opportunity, everyone. And is it effective or what today? Please practice daily.
Very good morning. This was an occasional. So thanks for our guru of the day, Rutvik, for having taken our giving in exercise and also for breathing exercise and peace of mind at last for last 10 minutes. It was wonderful. So thanks for all the participants. So once again, I thank you on behalf of Acharya Institute of Technology, and thanks the NSS officer and all the coordinators of this program and this event. Thank you. Thank you.
So guys, I am going to take the feedback from our few faculty members and few students which were doing that yoga. Basically, I am going to start from our yoga teacher, yoga sir. Sir, dear respected sir. So, what you wanna say? You have finished your session right now. So, what you wanna say to our audience? How it went?
Feedback was very good.
Okay.
They enjoyed it, and they said to take one session a week. I will make time to do that.
Okay.
And I thank you everyone who gave that opportunity to showcase my talent as well, to teach them. As they are teachers till now, I am the teacher now of
Yeah,
them.
he is the teacher, and believe me, guys, it is an honest review from my side. He did his best to teach them. They are the slow learners, you can say, but he tried his best. His patience level was also too much good while teaching them. So thank you so much for teaching our faculty members. So guys, they have completed their photo session, and I'm going to show you that whole group photo is going on. Swastik, show them. So basically, they are the members who have participated in Yoga Day, and to click the photo and going to pose it right now. So guys, photo shoot अभी समाप्त हो चुका है, और now I am going to take the review for everyone. Come here, Yogesh sir. Sir, what you going to say right now to our viewers? Which they are showing you, they show you how you performed and how you did that. They have seen everything. What you are going to say?
Today we practice yoga with guidance from Rutvik.
Okay.
He is our student and is also a yoga champion in the year 2016. So he has shown many of the asanas today. So we practiced 1 hour for today, and this is for tomorrow's International Yoga Day. And I insist all of them to have a daily practice, and we are also willing to practice daily in our department also. So we need the help of Rutvik.
So sir, basically from my side opinion, sir, please hire Ritvik as your personal yoga trainer, sir.
Sure.
So guys, you have seen our ISC. You have seen our ISC fittest sir, fittest faculty member Yogesh sir. Now I am going to show you our every faculty members. They are our ISC famous and ISC coolest faculty members which you are going to see in only ISC department. So okay, see guys, Ranjita ma'am is instructing everyone to having a group photo because she has lots of idea about these things. So go and capture them properly, and they are doing their pose, and Shubham the photographer doing it properly. So Vinita ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what you want to say to our audience, ma'am? They have seen you while doing this yoga. So what you gonna say to them?
That's what tomorrow anyways it's 11th International Yoga Day, right? So give a good start and start practicing yoga every day.
Okay, ma'am. So our your faculty, you can say Ritvik, he trained you. So what you want to say about them, ma'am?
Ritvik, I didn't expect he will do to that extent. His voice was so thin kind of that when he said go into meditation, we were literally only listening to his voice, like inhale, exhale, whatever he said, everything.
He was instructing very well, right?
Very well. So it's very good instructor.
So ma'am, last message which you are going to say to our audience, ma'am?
Audience, that's what good health is very important nowadays, because everyone you can see nowadays in news and all, you can see very for small age itself they're getting heart attack, and also please do exercise. How much time you're spending on your mobile, come out of the social media, please do yoga every day. And Ritvik, I thank you so much that we did the right thing by selecting him as a resource person. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So you have seen our Vinita ma'am. She gave the honest review. Or ma'am, I am going to take their footage in my blog also. They are doing the group pose, and they are posing, and they are the best faculty members of our ISC department. which you are going to see our best faculty members. They are the one. Performing their yoga, they are practicing what they learned right now, and they are performing it. So you can see they are also the faculty members of our ISC Acharya AIT. So you can see, and here also they are doing their practice what they have learned from the which department, sir? So guys. So guys, they are basically from MCA department. Those who are watching it from MCA department, they can see they are the faculty members of our MCA department, and they are practicing their yoga what they have learned from our yoga teacher. Here you have seen they were the faculty members of ISC department, and see our yoga teacher, he is sitting and resting there. So you can see, big thanks to Ritvik also. And see our cameraman Poklo. He is doing his best job to click the photos. He is also non-famous person for taking the pictures. So he is doing his job properly right now. And he is my friend Ujjwal. As you have seen him in lots of blogs and lots of videos. So उज्जवल क्या कहना चाहोगे?
बहुत बेकार वीडियो बनाता है, इसको सब्सक्राइब कर दे।
बेकार वीडियो है गाइस, इसलिए सब्सक्राइब कर देना। और पसंद आए,
पैसे मिलेंगे तो हम लोग सब बांट के खाएंगे भाई, इसीलिए
समझ रहे हो गाइस। अगर पैसा मिलेगा तो पैसा हो तो बड़ी बातें। तो गाइस पसंद आ रहा होगा, अगर पसंद वीडियो आ रहा होगा तो जरूर से जरूर वीडियो को शेयर कर देना सभी के पास, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब तो कर ही देना।
नहीं करोगे तो आऊंगा घर।
हाँ, तो घर पहुंच जाएंगे सबका, जो व्यूअर्स देख रहे हो इसको। सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट राइट नाउ, एंड आई एम आल्सो गोइंग टू शो यू माय कैमरामैन, माय ब्रदर। So guys, he is my brother, which is taking everything behind the phone. So you can see, Swastik, what you gonna say to our audience right now?
जय जोहार।
क्या बोल रहा है? झारखंड का वो दे रहा है क्या?
हाँ तो
bro, he is from Jharkhand, so he is saying Jai Johar, right? So you don't have to say these things. What you wanna say? What you wanna say about yoga event which happened right now?
हम तो वीडियो बनाने आए थे, बना लिए बस।
स्वास्तिक गाइस वीडियो मैन है, वीडियो कैमरामैन तो नहीं बोलेंगे गाइस, ये हमारा भाई है जो वीडियो मैन है, जो वीडियो को शूट किया है, और इसी का हाथ पैर सब कुछ है वीडियो के पीछे।
नहीं लेकिन पता है गाइस, ये ग्राउंड देखो, यहाँ पे जस्ट मतलब ऐसे सोचो सुबह सुबह आए हो तुम यहाँ क्रिकेट खेलेगे ना, मजा आएगा।
So guys, see our craziest and coolest faculty members of our ISC department. They are doing so many poses after they did the yoga, and our yogesh sir is quietly monitoring them, and he is also going to join them. See, he is bicep. He is the fittest faculty of our ISC department. So enjoy this moment. And he is our yoga teacher. Very, very thanks to you. You did a great job while teaching them. And while I was taking the feedback, they said that you did a great job. Especially Vinita ma'am said a special thanks to you that you was teaching them very professionally, right? So what do you want to say about that? You at the end they are your faculty members, respected faculty members, and you got an opportunity to teach them, right? So after teaching them and they gave you the best feedback, right? So what you gonna say about that to our faculty members?
This is the first time I teach to the teachers,
right?
But the thing is, what we don't know, they teach us. What they don't know, I teach.
Oh, that was also unique for them, right?
Yeah, it was unique. So it was very honorable for me because they gave this opportunity to conduct World Health Organization Day as well as World Yoga Day.
Okay.
In the World Health Organization Day also they have invited me. In World Yoga Day also they have invited me. But I would say that I'm truly honorable because among the AIT,
you are the only one.
I am the person.
And guys, I also going to thanks everyone that they gave me the opportunity to shoot that video and they gave me opportunity to take that video for my blog also. So big thanks to our faculty members, especially Ranjita ma'am. She called me yesterday at night that Vedant, you should have to be here for taking our video and you can use it for your content also. So big thanks to Ranjita ma'am. Right. Ma'am, a special interview from you, ma'am, from your side. Ma'am, first I am going to say big thanks to you that you gave me the opportunity to take that
Thank you
blog.
so much. You have already created one blog when we went to IKS. During that time, I felt very happy after looking into your blog. So I felt like yesterday, why don't I call Vedant? Vedant, he will create a video blog, so it will be useful for everybody. I thought like that, and I've called you. And during that time, you received the call and you responded very well. And thank you so much for you too.
Yes, me too, ma'am, because it's a great opportunity for me that I'm capturing you guys in my blog. So it's a very pleasure moment for me. Thank you so much.
Any time it is open for you because you're such a good person. Okay. So I know. So that's a wonderful experience what I had today because our students only there. Our student Rutvik, yes, he guided like anything, and it is a fantastic experience because every day I do yoga. Yes, I have a.
We have seen it, ma'am. You are the you can say the fittest lady faculty member of our ISC department.
I have 2 kids. I have experienced a lot of glitches when it comes to health issues and all. So once I started doing yoga, it gave me a lot of energy. That energy is going to be retained. Like morning, how I will come to the college, the same energy will be retained even if I don't have anything. Yes. I'll retain the same energy because I do yoga. Yes. So yoga is must for everybody. It's not like that older people have to do yoga, the younger people should not do. Younger people will get a more energy and they'll be always active, and that unique thing what you will get that cannot be expressed. So what I suggest to the youngsters is you have to do yoga, get a guidance from our Rutvik or any.
He's a fantastic yoga teacher. Yes. We have seen it right now.
Yes. So take a guidance from any yoga teacher and start doing it. You'll get a lot of energy. That energy will be there, means if you have a lot of energy means you can do anything. So that's what my suggestion to all the.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ma'am is going to join this photo shoot. So they are gathered there for a photo shoot, you can say, and they are enjoying their this particular time very properly, right? So you can see I am trying to capture everyone properly, so no one will left. And our main yoga teacher is in center, and they are around them. So guys, she is our class teacher of 6th semester, Pushpalata ma'am. So ma'am, what do you want to say to our audience about today's event?
Today's yoga is very good. Actually, we got more energy to do more yoga. We are planning for every day doing yoga.
Ma'am, you are trying to do your best as we have seen in the video also. Ma'am.
Yeah, I tried my. I was an athlete, so I love to do yoga.
Yes, ma'am.
So it was very useful today. Thank Rutvik,
Yes, ma'am.
especially because he's the one who motivated us. And
Here is Ritvik. Ritvik, come here. Ma'am wants to thanks to you.
Thank you.
How you are feeling your how you are feeling your class teacher is thanking you for teaching them the yoga.
Yeah, I'm very honorable because teacher is honoring me.
Yeah.
So very happy.
Thank you, Rutvik. Actually, it was very good. Every day we want you teach us yoga.
Ma'am, why not you hire him as a proper personal yoga trainer?
A personal yoga trainer daily he can't come and teach alone me.
Ma'am,
Actually,
ma'am,
it's good. Actually,
ma'am,
if he
ma'am,
teach everybody, every faculties in the college.
Ma'am, at least
We are
once,
requesting him to-
once in a week he can teach to you
No,
guys.
every day we are planning, not even a week. Every day we are planning to teach. Like I'm requesting him for teaching after 5 to 6.
5 to 6.
So we will plan accordingly.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving us time. One review from sir your side. What you wanna say to our audience about today's event?
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving the proper review. Ma'am, what you want to also say to our audience, ma'am, for today's event?
Audience, it was a wonderful event which has been organized. It was very nice that the participants are also a mixed kind of participants were there. So those who are already doing and then those who are doing first time. So it was really a mindful enjoyment and also a peaceful. Thanks for the coordinators and the yoga guru, Mr. Rutvik. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for making this event properly. Thank you so much for. Okay, guys. So I'm going to end this blog, ma'am. Say everyone to subscribe my channel, ma'am.
Please do subscribe Vedant's channel, Vedant's blog.
Yes.
Like it, subscribe it, and share it. Please do watch it.
So ma'am ने बोला करने का तो करने का, guys. To address you all guys in Kannada to make my channel subscribe, ma'am.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವೇದಾಂತ್ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ.
अगर आप लोग यहाँ तक हो तो प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना पोगलो एज मैंडेटरी. हर एक ब्लॉग में तुम आगे कंप्लीट करते हो. बोलो सबको सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए.
सब्सक्राइब तो अब तो सब जान ही गए हैं चैनल को, तो अब तो सब्सक्राइब कर ही दीजिए.
ठीक है,
नहीं करेगा तो कब करिए.
अब तो पोगलो भी बोल दिया. गाइस मैं आप लोग को योगेश सर से बुलवाने वाला हूँ. कम हियर योगेश सर, one line to say subscribe to my channel, sir.
Please subscribe to
Vedant's blog.
Vedant's blog.
Yes. Okay guys, thank you guys. मिलते हैं किसी अगले ब्लॉग में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.